You can now automatically trigger Stream Deck buttons with bots or third-party tools. To do this, you need to update Stream Deck to 7.4 or higher. Then in the General tab, enable MCP Deck. This will create an MPC actions profile of 32 buttons. Then create or copy buttons that you want and make sure they have unique titles. I like to use all caps and underscores instead of spaces and no special characters, just in case a bot or a tool may not process fancy titles. It doesn't have to be pretty because you won't see these buttons or titles in your Stream Deck anyways. Next, set up the Elgato MCP Server. This will bridge the communication between the third-party tools and Stream Deck. The link to the instructions is right here in the settings. You can learn more about MPC on this page, but scroll down to install Node.js. Then click on nodejs.org. Then click on Get Node.js and download the Windows installer. You don't need to check this automatically install necessary tools. That's not needed. Next, install the Elgato MCP Server. Open PowerShell as administrator and set the execution policy to at least remote signed. Then run this command to install the server. Then close the PowerShell window. To learn how to start the server and learn more about it, you can visit the Elgato MCP Server page on NPM. Scroll down to HTTP transport and copy this command to start the HTTP server. Open PowerShell. It does not need to be run as administrator. Run the command. And now the server has started. Blinking cursor is on the next line. And as long as you keep this window open, the server is running. To check if the server is running, you go to this path here, localhost :9090/health, and it'll show a status OK. Now it is ready for bots to request information on what MPC buttons are available in the Stream Deck and to press those buttons remotely with HTTP requests. To stop the server, just close the PowerShell window.